The octopus eyes have adapted in many ways to suit a specific environment. The octopus eye contains 20,000 to 50,000 millimeters squared of photoreceptors, which allows a greater vision span. Light falls on the eye and hits the cornea, which is a very fragile structure of the eye. Next, light passes through the anterior chamber inside the everted octopus eye. The light is then refracted into the eye. Next, the light hits the everted retina, which is only composed of rods, meaning the octopus cannot see color. The octopus eye has adapted for a greater, wider vision span, which allows awareness, predation, and protection to be simplified. Octopus have lateral eyes that can move independently, allowing a larger, greater monocular visual field, a space in which objects can be seen with one eye. Their eyes have the ability to bulge in and out due to 14 eye muscles to look out for potential predators. In addition, they have a movable lens structure that allows a targeted focus on a moving object. Due to the invaginated eye shape, the retina is connected to the optic nerve, meaning the octopus has no blind spot, allowing a full range of vision good for monitoring potential predators and scanning for prey. The eye pupil can be in an S, M, or U shape to allow different wavelengths of light to be processed, allowing the brain to create a colorized image. The development of the PAX gene has allowed the evolution of the octopus eye, providing it with adaptations to its environment. PAX gene evolved independently more than 500 million years ago, and it is a homologous gene to many animals. The octopus eye also developed a string of newly evolved genes that work alongside the PAX gene. This is a type of polygenic trait, as it is controlled and determined by multiple genes for eye growth. The human and octopus eye are analogous structures as they both look superficially similar. However, they have different underlying structures. However, the eye is also a homologous structure as it comes from a shared ancestor. 1019 and 1052 are shared ancestral sequences. Many other marine animals have eyes that have adapted to their environment and needs. Whales have an enlarged pupil and a less curved cornea to reduce refraction and eye damage. Hermit crabs have a rotational movement of 360 degrees and a dichromatic vision, allowing them to choose their shells based on the color. Mantis shrimp have compounded eyes with many ommatidia and photoreceptor cells specialized for color and polarized light. Green sea turtles have an even distribution of rods and cones, so they are best adapted to seeing bright light, and they also have the ability to see bioluminescence in their prey, which is an advantage for predation. So each marine species has an eye adapted to its environment. Humans have many detrimental effects on marine life vision, including increasing UV radiation. 98% of UV light is absorbed by the ozone layer. As the stratospheric ozone layer decreases due to climate change, UV light penetrates more. Increasing UV radiation damages cells, causes diseases and cancerous growths in the eye, such as conjunctival melanoma, a brown spot in the eye which is painless. Anthropogenic activities have shown to cause severe effects on vision, a problem that we must solve for the future by reducing our individual carbon footprint.